Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to learn new letter. Before we learn this letter, we will revise previous letters. Okay? Let's start. Repeat after me. Okay? Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for apple. A for X. A for X. A for ant. A for ant. A for arrow. A for arrow. Now letter B. Capital B, small b. B says the sound B. B. B for beer. B for beer. B for ball. B for ball. B for bus. B for bus. B for bat. B for bat. Now next, C. This is capital C and this is small c. C says the sound K. K. C for crayon. C for crayon. C for cat. C for cat. C for crocodile. C for crocodile. C for cup. C for cup. C for car. C for car. C for cow. C for cow. Now tell me which letter is this? Yes. D. Capital D, small d. D says the sound D. D. D for dog. D is for dog. D for duck. D for duck. D for drum. D for drum. D for door. D for door. D for doll. D for doll. Capital E, small e. E for envelope. E for envelope. E for elbow. E for elbow. E for egg. E for egg. E for elephant. E for elephant. E for engine. E for engine. Capital F, small f. F says the sound F. F. F for fun. F for fan. F for fan. F for fruit. F for fruit. F for finger. F for finger. F for flag. F for flag. F for fish. F for fish. Capital G, small letter G. G says the sound G. G. G for girl. G for girl. G for grass. G for grass. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for goat. G for goat. G for gate. G for gate. H. This is capital H and this is small h. H says the sound H. H. H for hat. H for hat. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. H for hammer. H for hammer. H for hen. H for hen. H for horse. H for horse. I. This is capital I and this is small I. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for India. I for India. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for injection. I for injection. I for insect. I for insect. Capital J, small j. J says the sound Z. J for jip. J for jip. J for jug. J for jug. J for jacket. J for jacket. J for juice. J for juice. J for joker. J for joker. Capital K, small k. K says the sound K. K. K for king. K for king. K for key. K for key. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for kite. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Guys, today I am going to teach you letter L. So, here I am going to show you some words and some pictures related to letter L. Okay? L for lion. L for lion. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lemur. L for lemur. Lemur means small monkey. L for lobster. L for lobster. L for leopard. L for leopard. L for ladybug. L for ladybug. L for lychee. L for lychee. L for lamb. L for lamb. L for leaf. L for leaf. L for light. L for light. L for lizard. L for lizard. L for ladder. L for ladder. L for lock. L for lock. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. L for leg. L for leg. Capital L and small l. L says the sound L. L. L for lock. L for lock. L for lion. L for lion. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. L for ladder. L for ladder. L for lotus. L for lotus. Now children, I will teach you how to write L. How to write L. Okay? On your 4-line notebook. For capital L, first draw one standing line from first line to third line, and then one sleeping line. This is capital L. Standing line and sleeping line. Standing line and sleeping line. And स्मॉल लेटर L के लिए हम फर्स्ट लाइन से थर्ड लाइन तक एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन निकालेंगे सिर्फ. दिस इज स्मॉल लेटर L. दिस इज स्मॉल लेटर L. लुक, इट इज वेरी इजी. वन मोर टाइम. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, ओनली स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्मॉल लेटर L. Okay. Now I will teach you on your textbook. So, open your Vikas book and go to the page number 37. This is capital L. So, one standing line and sleeping line. Okay, this is capital L. Standing line, sleeping line. Okay, now move to the next page. This is small letter L. Small letter L. Only one standing line from first line to third line, from red line to blue line. Okay, standing line, standing line. So children, your homework is page number 37, page number 38 and page number 39. Okay, keep practicing. Goodbye, have a nice day.